Assalamu alaikum students, class 3. Today we will learn answer the following question. Question number first. What was the one way of sending message? मैसेज पैगाम किस तरह भेजा जाता था? People beat drum to send message. ड्रम बजाकर ढोल बजाकर पैगाम भेजा जाता था. Question number 2. Where is this still down? अभी तक कहाँ पर ऐसा होता है? Answer. In Africa it is still down. अफ्रीका शुमाली अफ्रीका में इस तरह होता है. Question number 3. How far could beacon be seen? ये कहाँ तक देखा जा सकता था? Answer. Beacon could be seen at distance. ये काफ़ी फासले तक देखा जा सकता था. Question number 4. How were smoke signal made? यहाँ दिए जाते. Answer. Smoke signal were made by moving a blanket over a fire. आग पर कंबल डालकर धुएं के इशारे दिए जाते. Question number 5. How many letters are there in English? Answer. There are 26 letters in English. इंग्लिश के 26 हरूफ हैं. Second question, multiple choice questions. People beat drum, piano, mouth organ. Drum. Beacon are fire signal, sound signal. Multiple choose questions. People beat drum, piano, mouth organ. Drum. Beacon are fire signal, sound signal, drawing signal, fire signal. Who send message by drawing? Iraq, North America, China, North America. A man showing 5 finger meant that journey lasted for 3 days, 5 days, 15 days, 5 days. There are dash letter in alphabet 26, 20, 23, 26. Question number 3. Fill in the blank with the help of these word. खाली जगह को पूरा करना है. ऊपर जो वर्ड दिए हैं ये लगाकर. He dash do it again. He will do it again. He will do it again. Second, she dash not say what happened. She would not say what happened. She would not say what happened. We dash bring it back. We shall bring it back. We shall bring it back. A few of them dash go there alone. A few of them can go there alone. The woman dash not play football. The woman should 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 not play football. L and D correct spelling of the object. Drum. ड्रम का जो राइट स्पेलिंग है उसके ऊपर हमने टिक करना है. DRAM, DRUM, DRIM. तो राइट स्पेलिंग है DRUM. ड्रम. फायर. बिकन. BACON, BECN, BEACON, BEACON. राइट स्पेलिंग है, इस पर टिक करेंगे. बोर्ड. BOOT बोर्ड, BOUT बोर्ड, BOAT बोर्ड, BOAT बोर्ड. राइट स्पेलिंग है.